All right, this is a screencast that is going to show you how to link videos that are in your Google Drive to a Google Doc that you're working on. I use this all the time in physical education because I often will have written documents that describe a movement or an exercise, but it isn't usually clear to my students until they see what it looks like. So, giving them a written description and then also linking it to the video gives them an opportunity to go straight to that video and see what it looks like as they're going through the document. Okay, so here's what you're going to do. In order to link videos from your Google Drive, it's really important that you're organized in your Google Drive. All right, so you're going to notice here I have a folder set up and I have videos that I knew I was going to link to this document. So what I did is I went in and named all of my short video clips. I gave them very specific names, the same names that are going to map to my document. You'll see here I have a video called high knee taps, and over here I have an exercise called high knee taps. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to link the video for high knee taps right here. Okay, so how am I going to do that? All right. What I want you to pay attention to on here is you have this button right up here, okay? That is the hyperlink icon or button that you are going to be using. That is how you insert links onto a Google Doc. All right, this would be the same button you would hit to insert a YouTube video or something else, all right? So you're going to pay attention to that. Let's go over here now. I'm going to go back to my folder. Since I know that high knee taps is what I want to link, I'm going to go back here. I'm going to find high knee taps, which is right here. Okay. I'm going to go up to this button up here called Get Shareable Link, or I can right click as well, and I can get shareable link either way. So what I'm going to do is hit Get Shareable Link, and the link is going to be right here. You are going to click on there. You're going to hit a Command C. You're going to copy that link. You're going to go back to your document. You are going to highlight all the words that you want to use for that link, and you're going to click on the Insert Link button. Here, all you're going to do is hit a paste, and you are going to hit apply. Okay. Now, how do we know that worked? What you're going to do is you're just going to click on that, and you will see there is the video right there. Okay, so now let's do it for clapjacks. All right, well, how do I know which video I want to link there? I'm going to go back to my folder where I've been very organized. I see here there's clapjacks. I'm going to go clapjacks. I'm going to go up here to Get Shareable Link. I'm going to copy that link. I'm going to go back to my document. I am going to highlight what I want to link it to. I'm going to hit Insert Link, and I am going to paste that in, and I'm going to hit apply. When I look at this, I'm just going to put my mouse over it, do a little click, and there it is, the clapjack video. All right, let's go down here for a T-plank rotation, okay, and see how do we do that, a T-plank rotation. We're going to go back to the folder, and if I was organized, oh, there it is, T-plank rotation. I'm going to go up here and hit Get Shareable Link. Okay, you'll notice the link sharing is off. That means there's no link yet. You just have to slide this little toggle over. There, it gives you the option. You are now going to copy that. You're going to come over here, and I'm going to go to T-plank rotations, and I am going to hit Insert Link, and I am going to paste and hit apply. And one last check, just click, and there it is. So that is how you are going to link videos that you make, that you put into your Google Drive, onto a Google Doc. If you have any other questions, email me.